Taoiseach, I have a really important question to ask you on behalf of all the parents and the carers and on behalf of all the children across Ireland, especially my own two at home in Meath, Liam and Hannah. We have had lots of special visitors and really important visitors to Ireland throughout 2025, but our most important one will arrive here on the 24th of December, on Christmas Eve. I would like your personal assurances that our airspace will be clear for Santa, for Rudolph and all of his reindeers, to allow them to deliver all the well-deserved presents for the boys and girls in County Meath and across Ireland.
Thank you, Deputy Taoiseach.
I want to assure the Deputy I've had consultations with the Minister for Transport, Minister Darragh O'Brien, Sean Kenny, and Santa has complete clearance in Irish airspace on that critical timeline that you've outlined, and I think Liam and Hannah can rest assured that he will arrive on time and with an abundance of toys and so forth for the children of the nation.